Mastering the using definite article with plural countable nouns. Hello learners, welcome to our new lesson. Today we are diving into a crucial aspect of English grammar, the usage of definite articles. More specifically, we will be focusing on the usage of the with plural countable nouns. Remember, the is an essential tool in English communication, and understanding how to use it correctly can significantly improve your fluency. Before we delve into our main topic, let's quickly refresh our understanding of the. It is known as a definite article because it points to specific items or groups of items. When you say the book, you're not referring to just any book, but a specific book that the listener is aware of. This concept of specificity is crucial when using the. Now, let's understand plural countable nouns. Countable nouns are things that we can count, like apples, cars, or houses. When we have more than one, we make it plural, as in 2 apples, 5 cars, or several houses. Let's now combine these two concepts. When we use the with plural countable nouns, we refer to a specific group of items within a larger group. For instance, if you say, the apples are ripe, you're indicating a specific group of apples, not all apples in the world. The listener, in this context, should already know which apples you're talking about, perhaps the ones in your garden or the ones you bought yesterday. Here are some examples. The cars in that parking lot have been there for weeks. The houses in this street are very old. Each of these examples specifies a particular group of cars or houses, differentiating them from others. To practice, try to make your own sentences using the with plural countable nouns. Be sure to remember, the listener or reader should have a clear idea of which specific group of items you're referring to. And that's a wrap on using the with plural countable nouns. Remember, the key to mastering the use of the is practice and understanding its role in pointing out specificity. I hope this video has been helpful. Happy learning and see you in the next lesson.